Hello, beautiful people. I wanted to elucidate some aspects of my diet. Not only my diet, the best diet you can have. Important the diet is, the diet can be anabolic, muscle growth specifically. Been done before many times, proven by specifically Mr. Olympias like guys that on the top. And Dorian Yates diet specifically. It's not a complex issue, it's pretty simple because only bodybuilders can do the form on demand like that. So specifically old school. Dorian Yates was just crisp, sharp. So diet is fat-free. I remember he was saying that he would take a spoon of some oil in the evening just to have some fat-soluble vitamins. Plenty of reasons for that. For example, you get all your calories via carbohydrates, so thereby you increasing the presence of insulin, which is pretty anabolic, highly anabolic hormone. And then you enhance your digestion, so the food goes through your digestion tract pretty fast, and thereby you can eat more food. And there are other biohacks in the diet. I don't train that hard and I look okay. I mean, people go to the gym every day and they eat a lot of food. I don't eat a lot of food, so macros. And it's because I don't build my life around the gym or around athletic activity. I fit it into my life, and whenever I have time, or just like now, I went for a walk and I'll do something, probably. And so thereby I don't pay much attention to the macros. I know I would gain a bit of an edge if I would, but that would be so minute, so yeah, it doesn't make any difference to me. And so I don't follow them. And there are other examples of successful muscle building, bodybuilding careers that didn't follow macros most of the time, not during the preparation. During the preparation, you got to do that, and it worked. Lee Priest, for example, he had a tremendous physique. I mean, one of the best, and he didn't follow macros at all. And I do the same. I mean, I go by the feel. I know I need to get my proteins, most and foremost, but they vary from day to day, and there's a reason to that as well. I go by the feel. Same when I want to trim down a little bit, I just reduce slightly the calorie intake. And yeah, I remember the macros, the protein intake. It was funny. So I had a friend, Polish guy, and he was a programmer. He didn't train at all, you know? And I was training, so he went to the gym. 2 weeks in, I catch up with him, and he was measuring protein powder on a scale, like a lot of it. And I was like, mate, what are you doing? He said, yeah, I need to take 300 proteins a day. And who told you that? I said, yeah, my trainer. 300 protein. I didn't take that at the time. So yeah, that happened. Our bodies do not have protein stores. We have fat store, most and foremost, and we have a little bit of carbohydrate store, which is a conventional thinking, which is a mistake. We do have protein store, which is our muscles. So we can store protein in our muscles that can be used later on for any protein demand in our body, be it immune response, be it some essential nutrient demand. So this is our protein store, and we can use that. So if it's a protein store, what does it tell you? It tells you that if we indicate the need for protein, at times the protein depot would be expanding. How about that? So I tried that and it worked. It does work, so highly recommend it. So that would be it, and thank you for listening. Please subscribe. I need subscribers. And by the way, the reason for this channel primarily is to get acquainted with potential clients, so to create a history of my endeavors. If it develops into a channel, I would be grateful. So the idea is if I develop worthy rejuvenation technique that would be working like this, then when it comes to sell, it's not gonna be like cold sales or like, please take my olive oil, this is the best olive oil in the world. And that would be like proper rejuvenation protocols. And then I would share this with people, all people that are smart, intelligent, and humble, emotionally intelligent, spiritually intelligent. They deserve a healthy and long life. I mean, I think 60 years is no time on earth. And if you knew what awaits us on the other side, you would never ever wanted to die. I think so. So be well and swell, beautiful people. Buongiorno.